In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated glowing button in Figma. We'll walk through the foundational steps to set up the glowing effect, which is a crucial part of making your button truly stand out. Even though we're focusing on the glow today, these principles will serve as the perfect base for future animation. To begin, you'll first need to select the frame that you intend to use as your button. This is your base element, so make sure it's the correct one. Once selected, look to the right-hand design panel. Here, our first task is to modify the corner radius of your frame. A common practice for modern, softer buttons is to give them slightly rounded corners. You can achieve this by entering a value, perhaps between 8 and 16 pixels, into the corner radius field. Feel free to experiment with this number until you find a curvature that suits your design aesthetic. Immediately after adjusting the corners, we'll change the color of this very frame. This will be your button's primary background color, so choose something that will complement your desired glow effect later on. A darker background often provides a striking contrast for a bright glow, but a vibrant base color can also work wonderfully. Once your frame has its desired shape and base color, our next step is to add some visual flair using effects. With your button frame still selected, direct your attention once more to the right-hand design panel. You'll find a section clearly labeled Effects. This is where we can apply a variety of visual enhancements to our elements. To add a new effect, simply click on the plus icon located to the right of the effect's title. Upon clicking the plus icon, Figma will typically add a default effect, which is usually a drop shadow. This is exactly what we need, even though our goal isn't a traditional shadow. Normally, a drop shadow creates a sense of depth by simulating light hitting an object, but we're going to manipulate it to produce a vibrant glow. So, ensure drop shadow is the selected effect. Now comes the most important part, making the specific adjustments to transform this drop shadow into a radiant glow. To do this, click on the sun-shaped or cogwheel icon next to the drop shadow effect to open its settings. Here, you'll see several parameters. First, set both the X and Y offset values to 0. This ensures that the glow emanates evenly from all sides of your button, rather than casting a shadow in a specific direction. Next, significantly increase the blur value. A higher blur value, perhaps 30 to 50 pixels, will diffuse the effect and spread it out, creating that soft, luminous aura. Most critically, you need to change the color of the drop shadow. Instead of a dark, shadow-like hue, select a bright, vibrant color that you envision your button glowing with. Think electric blue, radiant purple, or a bright neon green. This color choice is paramount in defining the character of your glow. You might also consider slightly increasing the spread value, if available, to push the glow out further. Experiment with the blur and color intensity until you achieve the perfect glowing effect you're looking for.